Now, first of all, why will there be refraction or the bending of the light is because the light ray is traveling at a different speed when they move into different medium. In the air medium, because air is in a gaseous, in a gaseous state, so the gas particles are very far apart. So the light ray can actually travel through the air at the fastest speed, all right, followed by a medium in the liquid state, such as a water, and then the slowest will be the solid medium. Because in the solid medium, the particles are so closely packed together, the light ray, when it travels into this solid medium, it slows down the speed of the light. Because the particles are so closely packed, they act as the obstruction to prevent the light from going through it quickly. All right, so, so the speed of light changes in different medium. That's why the light ray will bend. So when it travels from an optically less dense medium, now we will use this word optically denser, optically less dense, basically because all the density of this material are measured based on optical density. So the air, which is in a gaseous state, is optically less dense than the glass, which is in a solid state. So when it travels in the optically less dense medium, right, into the optically denser medium, the speed of the light slows down, and hence the light ray bends towards the normal. Okay. Now, on the other hand, if you reverse the medium, you incident a ray from the optically denser medium to the optically less dense medium, then it will bend away from the normal. This light ray will bend away from the normal because now this light ray is traveling at a faster speed as compared to that travel in the glass medium. Then we will use this Snell's law to calculate what is the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. So Snell's law states that this refractive index N is equivalent to sine I over sine R. So this formula states that the refractive index is equivalent to the sine I over sine R. So let's say if you have the angle of incidence as 30 degrees, okay, we are saying that the light ray is traveling from the optically less dense medium to the optically denser medium. This happens to be 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees. Then you're going to find out what is the angle of refraction, which is this angle R. You can actually use the formula, which is sine 30 over sine R, and is equivalent to the refractive index of the glass, all right, which is about 1.53. Now, the refractive index value, the refractive index values will always be given in a question. Yeah, so you have to memorize. Yeah, okay. For glass, the refractive index will be ranging from 1.51 to 1.54. So you go according to what the question has given to you, then you do the calculation of